post-hurricane September 29th, and I'm looking at these darn clouds, and I am not ready for Hurricane Ian. And I can already see the effects of Hurricane Ian in these clouds. I'm at FedEx, and these clouds are magnificent. I'm not liking the way these clouds look, and I hope that we don't lose power, because these clouds do look like they're going to knock power out. They really do. This is Jordan Pinckney at the FedEx location in Austell on September 28th, 2022. And I'm kind of nervous about these clouds. We'll see what happens.